also, do you believe in Santa? As I was a child, I believed that Santa was real. To such a high extent that I used to yell under the fireplace through the hole like, Santa, are you here? Are you coming this year for me? Yeah. Well, sadly to hear, I was mostly on the naughty list, so oops, not this year. But even today, as me growing up, I'm still into so much Christmas celebrations and excitement, and most of all, no school. Yeah! Oh God, I fell. Ouch. Ouch. Okay, high five. Yeah! My parents have a different way of celebrating Christmas. And it has something to do with the matter of fact that they steal all the Christmas fun. This is how my mom blew my Christmas fun. Let's go check it out here. Number 1, Desi Fest versus non-Desi Fest. Ma, it's Christmas, 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 it's Christmas! Christmas, Halloween, Christmas. What about Diwali, huh? You don't go to the puja with our family and now you want to go jingle bell all the time. But I had no holiday for Diwali and I had a lot of work. Oh yeah. Like Halloween was on a holiday, na? Who was going out in the Cookie Monster costume, going trick-or-treating, eating all those cookies? Why don't you save some cookies for Santa Claus? Oh wait, look. Look at your belly. It is as big as Santa Claus. Instead of wasting your money on Santa Claus's cookies, why don't you go get in some exercise instead of lying down watching TV and eating cookies? Number 2, double standards. Abby, Shrisa, who else? Oh yeah, Sarah and Ritika. Hey, not that many gifts for your friends. Mom, can I at least get some of my friends' Secret Santa gifts? Oi, do what? I'm not getting those gifts for you. So you do one thing, take your big list, put it in the stocking next to the tree and ask your Mr. Santa Banta to get that gift. Because I'm not getting it for you and he can do at least better than jokes. It's an Indian thing. It's Santa, Mom. And last time when I asked you to get eggnog, you said he wasn't real. Mom, what are you doing? Can't you see I'm breaking this cookie? That's a leftover cookie from last year. That's really rude. It doesn't matter. Santa aren't real, you know. Okay, at least let's get some eggnog for Santa. All the time. You want eggnog? Okay.